आपके अपने इस स्वर्णकार सेतु चैनल में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है। हम पिछले कई वर्षों से निरंतर स्वर्णकार समाज की गतिविधियों के बारे में, सामाजिक आयोजन के बारे में, समाज के प्रतिभाओं के बारे में आपके समक्ष कुछ न कुछ अलग हटकर हम लाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। आज इस वीडियो के द्वारा आप देखेंगे कि स्वर्णकार समाज के युवा वर्ग भी कितना अग्रेसिव होकर कार्य कर रहा है अपने बिजनेस को, व्यापार को लेकर। हम चर्चा कर रहे हैं महाराष्ट्र के अमरावती में रहने वाले, मूल रूप से राजस्थान के चूरू जिले के अंतर्गत रतनगढ़ के रहने वाले श्री महेश रामचंद्र जी वर्मा कुलथिया एवं श्रीमती अनिता वर्मा के सुपुत्र आयुष वर्मा। जी हाँ, सिर्फ 30 वर्ष का ये बालक, एक युवा जो कि 12वीं तक अमरावती में अध्ययन करने के पश्चात बॉम्बे के के.जे. सोमैया इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में डिग्री करते हैं और डिग्री करने के पश्चात में कुछ दिन जॉब करने के बाद अपना स्वयं का बिजनेस प्रारंभ करते हैं। और आज 8 दिसंबर 2025 को रावल केयर लिमिटेड इस कंपनी को BSE बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज सेगमेंट में सूचीबद्ध करते हैं, अर्थात IPO का ओपनिंग आज करते हैं और ये कंपनी सार्वजनिक बाजारों में आ गई है। इस कंपनी के फाउंडर और CEO आयुष वर्मा हैं। इस अवसर पर आयुष वर्मा के पूरे परिवार के सदस्य, उनके माता पिता महेश वर्मा जी, अनिता वर्मा जी, उनकी बहन माधुरी, उनके जीजा जी, उनकी पत्नी सहित पूरा परिवार, उनके ताऊ जी राजकुमार जी, उनकी दोनों बुआ जी के लड़का सहित ससुराल से भी सास ससुर सहित पूरा परिवार, अर्थात पूरा परिवार इस अवसर पर, इस ऐतिहासिक अवसर पर उपस्थित होकर आयुष वर्मा को बहुत सारी बधाइयाँ, शुभकामनाएं दी। स्वर्णकार सेतु की ओर से डॉक्टर प्रकाश सोनी ने शॉल और प्रतीक चिन्ह देकर आयुष वर्मा का अभिनंदन किया और इस ऐतिहासिक उपलब्धि पर उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देते हुए एक ऐतिहासिक पल का साक्षी होने के नाते उनको आशीर्वाद भी दिया। ये सिर्फ एक इस युवा की उपलब्धि नहीं है, एक युवा ने जो असंभव कार्य को संभव कर दिखाया कि छोटे से शहर से आकर मुंबई में रहना और यहाँ पर अपने बिजनेस व्यापार को छोटी सी उम्र में स्थापित करके आगे के भविष्य की योजना बनाते जो कदम आयुष वर्मा ने बढ़ाया है, उनके पीछे उनके माता पिता का, परिवार का पूरा आशीर्वाद, सपोर्ट रहा है और एक समाज के लिए उन्होंने एक दीप जलाया है। इस स्वर्णकार व्यवसाय के अतिरिक्त भी दूसरे कार्य जो हम कर सकते हैं। आयुष वर्मा के पिताजी महेश जी वर्मा कुलथिया का आज अमरावती में 2 बड़े शोरूम में स्टेब्लिश है, अर्थात उनका ज्वेलरी में बिजनेस बहुत स्थापित बिजनेस है। लेकिन इस युवा ने बचपन से ही इच्छा थी कि मैं कुछ अलग हटकर करूं।
On this auspicious day of the listing ceremony at the Bombay Stock Exchange Limited, can we have request everyone to rise for the national anthem, please? Thank you. Lighting a lamp brings prosperity, welfare, and positivity in and around us. Let's commence this auspicious occasion by lighting the ceremony's lamp. As I speak the names, I will request the guests to step towards the stage. I request Mr. Ayush Verma, Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Mahesh Verma, Whole-Time Director, Anita Verma, Kritika Agarwal, Madhuri Verma, Sumit Swankar, Jyoti Agarwal, Manoj Agarwal, Ritik Agarwal. As I speak the name, you can step towards the stage. Mr. Vipin Bhanashali, President, FCG Group, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and BSE SME, to step towards the stage to light the lamp as a mark of the beginning of listing ceremony. I will request Mr. Ayush Verma to give it to Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and BSc SM. Kirtivasan, ladies and gentlemen, Head Listing and BSc SM. Thank you, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, President FCG. In November 2018, Ravelcare Limited is a digital-first beauty and personal care (BPC) brand offering a comprehensive range of hair care, skin care, and body care products tailored to individual needs. The company operates through its own website and leading online marketplaces such as Amazon, Flipkart, along with quick commerce platforms like Blinkit, and has fulfilled more than 5 lakh orders across India. It has also shipped its products to several international markets, including regions such as the UAE, the US, Australia, UK, Canada, Germany, etc. The company ensures seamless delivery through its logistics and warehousing infrastructure across central India. It is now gearing up to build a fully integrated manufacturing facility with a proposed capacity of 1,050 TPA, creating a unified hub for R&D, manufacturing and distribution. Now I would request Mr. Ayush Verma, Promoter and Managing Director of Ravelcare Limited, to say a few words on this auspicious occasion.
Good morning, everyone. Standing here today feels like a journey of dreams. I want to begin by thanking my parents for giving me the freedom to think differently and dream bigger. My father taught me that taking risks is a part of life and failure is simply a step forward. And my mother gave me the strength and optimism to keep moving no matter what. A special thank you to my sister, whose steady support has been one of the constants in life. And deepest gratitude to my wife, who has blessing in every sense, and has shifted my life forever. Sometimes a person walks in and quietly aligns for stars, and for that, I am grateful to her every single day. While preparing for my speech last night, a line from Steve Jobs kept coming back to me. He once said that you can never connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backward. And when I look back today, the dots make sense. The failures, the long nights, the risk, the uncertain decision, the people who showed up at the right time, and the people who walked away at the right time. None of it looked clear back then, but standing here today, all of it makes sense. When we started, we didn't dream of ringing the bell. If I can be honest, I didn't even know there was a bell. We just wanted to solve real human problems, and every customer for us is an IPO. Because an IPO for us, it is not about markets. It is about building trust. The markets may ring the bell once, but our customers ring it every single day. And behind every one of those customers stands a team that makes it all possible. On days like these, people often celebrate the entrepreneur. But the truth is simple. It is a team that carries the company forward and not any individual. Thank you to the entire Ravel team, Aditya, Dipesh, Rupesh, and everyone back at the office. You guys have built this company long before the world noticed us. To our merchant bankers, regulators, investors, legal counsel, auditors, and all the intermediaries involved, thank you for your guidance and for pushing us to do better. We would not be here without you. A very special thanks to Mr. Karmesh, who is like a brother to me, and who has supported us in moments when it mattered the most. Has played a major role in bringing the company to where it stands today. Ganesh bhai, thank you. Today on the floor, surrounded by the people who helped make this dream real, it feels not like the end of the journey. It feels like the beginning of one. It feels like day zero. An IPO is not the finish line of the race. It is not the end of the journey. Think of it as a tier upgrade. We work hard, played fair, and earned our right to play at the next level. From here, the real game begins. In a few minutes, when the bell rings, it won't sound like a victory to me. I'm sorry. It will sound like a reminder. A reminder to keep building. A reminder to keep innovating. To keep serving. A reminder of the responsibility that we now have to do right by all the shareholders. So we take a deep breath, smile, and get back to work. Our work starts from here. We are more ambitious than ever. We are more committed than ever. With gratitude in my heart to everybody, I am really thankful for all your wishes, because of which I stand here and look good. And as Robert Frost said, the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. For Team Ravel, the future is calling, and we are just getting started. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for being part of this moment. Jai Hind.
Good morning, everyone. Today is a very special day for our family and Private Care Limited. It is an honor to stand here in the Bombay Stock Exchange and witness this milestone. On behalf of our entire team, I extend my heartfelt thanks to the BSE for their support, their guidance throughout this journey. I also want to place on record our sincere appreciation for all merchant bankers, Marwari Chandrana Group, whose efforts and commitment have been invaluable. A special thanks to our auditor, Ratan Chandak and Company, and to our legal team and all who worked tirelessly to make this moment possible. This milestone belongs to everyone who has contributed to the journey of the company. It reflects the efforts of many people over many years. As someone who has seen the company grow from the close quarters, it is truly heartening to witness how far it has come and the potential that lies ahead. To all our stakeholders, we look forward to building responsibilities, creating value, and continuing with the same honesty and steady determination that brought us here today. Thank you once again to the Bombay Stock Exchange and all our partners and everyone present here for being a part of this milestone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mahesh Verma. Now I would request Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and BSE SME, to step on stage and share a few words on this occasion.
Good morning, everybody, and a warm welcome to each one of you to this iconic International Convention Hall as we celebrate the listing of equity shares of Ravel Care Limited. Today we are listing a company that operates in the beauty and personal care segment and which is one of the fastest growing industries in India. This industry is dominated by giants who have decades of legacy and a company in the SME segment coming up and giving them a competition. through its unique technique of delivering customized products, is what makes this company stand out. And the subscription by marquee investors in the anchor book, in the QIB, and the overall subscription of over 437 times for this issue, raising 7,000 crores as against an ask of 24 crores, is what is the confidence that the investors have in this company. Today, Lavicare makes a milestone as one of the first beauty and personal care brands to be listed on this BSE SME platform. This platform is a powerful platform and it shows as a catalyst for SMEs. And there are over 669 companies that are listed on this platform, which have raised over 13,400 crores with a market capitalization of over 2 lakh crores. So you see, this is how I can see Ayush's this now. And we want your company also to grow and reach greater milestones. There is a 3-year for a migration. In the next 3 years, we want Lavicare to be seen on the main board, on which we have over 5,000 companies. We are the largest exchange with the number of companies that are being listed on the exchange, and the oldest. We are a 150-year-old platform, and it gives me an immense proud to tell me that we have helped companies create wealth on this platform. Listing comes with accountability and responsibility. I would like to congratulate every company which comes for listing. We assume that it has taken a very bold step, because it's not very easy to be in the forefront and deliver always in a good way and have a good corporate governed board and make their business transparent, engage with the larger stakeholders. You have already shown your commitment by servicing over 5 lakh customers. That's what I was told. And I'm sure your investors will also be serviced that very well. So we wish the company all the very best and ensure our support always. Thank you. I would also like to congratulate the book running lead managers and all the other intermediaries who have helped company to achieve this milestone. Thank you.
Vipin Bhanushali, President MCG Group, Merchant Banker, to say a few words on this occasion.
Good morning, everyone present here. Esteemed dignitaries from Stock Exchange, Radha and this company, Shark Tank appeared company. So, Radha Ravicare is the first company going to list on the stock exchange who appeared in the Shark Tank. I mean, from such a short time, and what a commitment, Ayush. So I met Ayush and Ayush भाई ये काम कौन करता है मैं ही करता हूँ. अच्छा कौन देखता है मार्केटिंग कौन देखता है मैं ही देखता हूँ. अच्छा सॉफ्टवेयर कौन देखता है मैं ही देखता हूँ. डिलीवरी कौन देखता है मैं ही देखता हूँ. Ayush भाई टीम कितनी है मैं ही टीम. So from Mary team moved to 25 people team and listing on the oldest stock exchange of the Asia. I mean, what an achievement. Though it is not achievement like Ayush said and Radha ma'am said that this is the first step. This is the first step. Now you are answerable to stakeholders. Now you are the limited company. More accountability, more responsibility. Okay. So congratulations. Thank you BSE for giving this platform. Thank you so much.
These speeches on the stage are making many of you emotional. It's truly a great moment for the company, Ravicare India Limited. I'm very, very grateful. Now I would request, it's time for the memento giveaway. This is BSE to Ravicare. I would request Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and BSE SME, to please step towards the stage to present the listing certificate and the listing memento to Mr. Ayush Verma, Promoter and Managing Director of Ravicare Limited. present the mentor to Mr. Vipin Bhanushali, President MCG Group, aka Merchant Banker. Bhanushali to step towards the stage to present the memento to Ms. Radha Giri. Can I request all the dignitaries to proceed towards the stage, all the directors, promoters of Travelcare Limited. Alright, it's time, ladies and gentlemen, reverse counting. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Moment for the company. Congratulations to all the well-wishers of Travelcare Limited. Can we have one round of applause for the company? We will now continue with the memento giveaway. I will request Mr. Mahesh Verma to step on the stage to give away to Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited. Ladies and gentlemen. LP. Mezzanine Equity Private Limited. This one is the last one, but the most important one. Can we have wife of Mr. Mahesh Verma on stage? Is it possible to have the blessing of parents? From proud parents to Mr. Mahesh Verma, ladies and gentlemen. gentlemen, well-wishers, the new stakeholders,
आयुष की माँ होने के नाते आपको कैसा आज अनुभव हो रहा है?
प्राउड फील हो रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा।
बचपन में आपने उम्मीद की थी कभी कि इस तरह मुंबई
जरूर।
आएगा?
हाँ, इतना तो नहीं किया था, बिजनेस के लगा था बिजनेस में आएगा, लेकिन उसकी पढ़ाई वगैरह इंटरेस्ट वगैरह देखते हुए लग रहा था कुछ करेगा, उसकी इच्छा थी कुछ करने की।
आपका स्वयं का अमरावती में इतने अच्छे प्रतिष्ठान है, ज्वेलरी के शोरूम है
जी
और ये 12th करके बम्बई जब सोमाया कॉलेज पढ़ने आया
जी।
तो उस समय लग रहा था कि वापस अमरावती आएगा और ये अपनी गद्दी संभालेगा।
लग तो नहीं रहा था, लेकिन हम बुला जरूर रहे थे
हाँ।
कि हमारे बिजनेस में आओ, क्योंकि हमारा बिजनेस भी बहुत अच्छा सेट है
जी।
लेकिन आज इसने जो कर दिखाया है वो बिजनेस से भी बहुत अच्छा कर दिखाया।
अभी
रियली वेरी वेरी प्राउड।
अभी आपको ऐसा लग रहा है अमरावती छोड़कर बम्बई आ जाएं?
नहीं, अमरावती तो बहुत अच्छी जगह है।
इतने सालों से
कुछ आयुष के बारे में बताना चाहेंगे आप?
एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी विजन है
जी।
एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी विजन है और बहुत दूर की सोचता है और बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट के लिए हमेशा बिल्कुल कुछ ना कुछ क्रिएटिव वर्क करता ही रहता है।
जी।
और जब शार्क टैंक में जब आया था तभी से हमको लग रहा था कि ये बहुत आगे जाएगा।
बचपन से क्लेवर है, हर क्लास में फर्स्ट ही आता था वो।
हर
फर्स्ट
हर
से।
हर
चलिए, उनकी उपलब्धि के लिए बहुत सारी, मुझे लगता है कि हिंदुस्तान का प्रथम स्वर्णकार समाज का बच्चा होगा। 30 वर्ष की छोटी आयु में एक IPO लेके आना और उसको इतनी प्रसिद्धि प्राप्त करना, आपको भी बहुत सारी बधाई,
हमारे लिए
शुभकामनाएं।
बहुत प्राउड की बात है।